Sentimental journey, gonna set my heart happy. Gonna make a sentimental journey to renew all memories. Got my bag,
I got my reservation.
Spent each dime I could afford. Like a child in wild anticipation, long to hear that all aboard. Taas, yun ang taas.
Seven.
Taas. Seven, that's the time we leave at seven. I'll be waiting out for heaven.
Heaven.
Counting every mile of rail or track that takes me back. Never thought my heart could be so yearning. Why did I decide to roam? Got to take this sentimental journey. Sentimental journey home.
Sentimental journey home.
Upon my knee, just 342 and 240. Just me for you and you for me alone. Nobody near us to see us or hear us. No friends or relations on weekend vacation. We won't have it now. There, oh dear. Nakalimutan ka iba.
Partida, mahina tong tenga niyan. Ang hirap kayang kumanta kapag
Nung araw,
mahina ang tenga mo.
nakakantang lahat yan eh. Let me call you sweetheart. Ako gusto ni Pauline ito pag kinakanta ko. I'm in love with you. Let me hear you whisper that you love me too. If the light glowing in your eyes so true, let me call you sweetheart. I'm in love with you. All of me, why not say all of me? Can't you see I'm no good without you? Take my lips, I want to lose them. Take my arms, I'll never use them. Your goodbye left me with eyes that cry. How can I go on here without
I love it when she's
you?
happy.
You took the part that once
Nakakakanta lang yan
was
kapag
my
happy siya.
heart. So why not take all of me? Everybody loves me, sometimes everybody.
Walang posa.
Raindrops keep falling on my head, and just like a guy's spirit to be. Yung mga sweet lang, sweet music.
Mellow.
Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa, men have named you. You're so like the lady with the mystic smile. Is it only 'cause you're lonely they have blamed you for that Mona Lisa strangeness in your smile? Do you smile to tempt your lover, Mona Lisa? Or is this your way to hide a broken heart? Many dreams have been brought to your doorstep. They just lied there, and they died there. Are you one? Are you real, Mona Lisa? Or just a cold and lovely work of art? Kanta ni Lito. Please release me, let me go. For I don't love you anymore. Waste our lives would be a sin. Release me and let me love again. Pretend you're happy when you're blue. It isn't very hard to do. And you find happiness without an end whenever you pretend. Remember Remember, anyone can dream, and nothing's bad what it may seem. The little things you haven't got would be a lot if you pretend.